In this video, we'll explore album detail and learn how to customize your album data. Let's start from your collection page. Look at the search and filter section. The third drop-down says All Albums. Click it to see filtering options. You'll see two main sections: collection filters, all albums, albums with photos, multiple copies. Added this month: genre filters, a dynamic list of genres from your collection. Here's what makes this special. The genre list is built from your albums. No fixed genres, no predetermined categories, just what's actually in your collection. This updates automatically as you add albums or edit metadata. Now, let's open an album to see this in action. Click any album in your collection. At the top, you'll see album information. This includes genre, label format, year, and more. When you first add an album, this data will either come from the database or from a dataset that you've imported. But here's the great part: you can override it. Click Edit Details. Now you can change genre and label. Let's say an album is marked non-music, but it's actually comedy. Change it to comedy. You'll see an unsaved flag appear. Next to it is an undo button to restore that item to its original value. This editing is non-destructive. You can always get back to the original value without having to restore from a backup. Click Save Changes when ready. Go back to your collection. Now we see that the genre has updated. If you have multiple copies of the same album, the change applies to all copies. Now let's explore more fields. Click Edit again. Status field. Choose from preset options like active, needs editing, etc. Great for organizing your workflow. Condition fields. Rate both vinyl and jacket condition. We use standard grading criteria. We provide a free grading guide you can download. Purchase details. You can enter purchase price. Any decimal value defaults to US dollars. Select the purchase date from calendar. Check rare or requires revaluation for special items. This is optional, but useful for insurance or tracking collection value. My rating. Rate albums from 1 to 5 stars. Personal preference, not condition. Storage location. Enter any text to track where the album is stored. Use whatever system works for you. Tags? We'll cover tagging in the next video. The notes area. Add any of your free-form comments about the album. Special pressing details, signed copies, personal memories, whatever matters to you. Public visibility. Toggle. Whether this album appears in your shared collection. On by default, easy to turn off. All this data is included in your exports and backed up with your collection. Now look at the thumbnail panel on the right. By default, it shows artwork from the database, but you can replace it with your own photo as we covered in an earlier video. Below the thumbnail, View on Discogs link. Opens the album information in Discogs for reference. Change Discogs association, find a better match for your album. Change the database association without losing your metadata. Your custom data stays intact. Only the Discogs source reference changes. This is powerful for corrections without resetting your work. To recap, My Vinyl Catalog lets you search and filter by dynamic genres from your collection. Edit album metadata with non-destructive overrides. Track condition, purchase details, ratings, and storage. Add personal notes and control public visibility. Replace thumbnails with your own photos. Easily pivot to Discogs for detailed album data. Change your associations without losing data. My Vinyl Catalog gives you detailed control over every album in your collection. In the next video, we'll dive deep into tagging and how to organize your collection even further.